Hello friends, welcome to today's video. Hopefully you're not going to notice that there is construction noise, kind of drilling noise going on. I'm hoping I can take it out in editing. Hopefully, fingers crossed. I am sitting down to film this video today because I received my Ipsy bag. The big question for me is going to be, which Ipsy is this? If you noticed, if you watch my channel, I did not do a Ipsy bag opening in September. That's because my Ipsy bag got lost in the mail somewhere. It made its way to Mississauga, which is just outside of Toronto, and then the tracking they somehow loaded it onto a truck in Mississauga and then it never made its way back out again. So I followed up with Canada Post because they do sort of like the last bit of the delivery of this. They tried to follow up. I don't know. The process didn't actually seem to really do anything. And then a week later, I got a message from them saying like, yeah, no, it's lost. And you should follow up with whoever was sending you the package. So I followed up with Ipsy, and that was probably, I want to say 10 days ago, maybe. So I did email their Ipsy care, and the actual email, once I sent it, they were wonderful. They got back to me right away within a day. I sent along my information. They confirmed that the package had been lost, and they resent a new one. Now, I will mention that it is incredibly hard to find the Ipsy Care email. On their website everywhere, they reference like email us at Ipsy Care, but they never actually give you the email address. So I think I ended up doing a combination of Googling and guessing to be able to find their customer support email, which is not a great way to do customer support if I have to guess and like dig, and it took me probably like 15 minutes of looking to find it, and I don't think I found it on their website. So what I will do, because some of you who are watching this are also Ipsy subscribers, I'm going to put their email address here on the screen or down below in the description bar. So if you do ever have to follow up with them, you can actually get in touch with them. So on the one hand, very frustrating to try to find their actual contact information. On the other hand, they were super quick to respond once I did. So all that to say that it is currently, I'm looking at my watch like it's going to tell me it's the 8th or 9th of September, the 9th, I believe. And this arrived yesterday. It was in my mailbox. So did the original package get found? Because like it takes usually longer than that for them to send. So is it September's original? Is it September's replacement, or is it October? I don't really know. And I was trying not to look at the website so I wouldn't get any spoilers. So this is kind of more of a mystery than usual. Okay, I feel like maybe this is a September bag. They also mentioned that because of issues, like because of supply, I may not get the original items that I would have gotten in my original bag. Is there a, ooh, that's kind of neat. Okay, so it's this like denim, pink denim bag, and the actual pull on here, it looks like a little gemstone. I mean, plastic, but it looks like a little gemstone. And this does not feel like a very full bag. So let's take this out and see. Okay, so this is September. Very interested to, am I going to be able to find out if this was September, my original one, or not? I guess we'll see if another one shows up. But the theme is Find Your Light. September is all about new paths and possibilities, so whether it's going all out with a bold new lip shade or masking at home to recharge from within, take a moment to rediscover your guiding North Star. Where will it lead you? I do agree with that. To me, September always kind of feels like the start of a new year. I think it's because of the school thing and everything, even though I am not in school currently. Okay, I saw the very first thing on here, so I'm going to take it out. It's an Oprah lipstick. Oprah is like my favorite kind of lipstick. This is, oh, it's a gloss. It's a Madison Miller lip gloss. And this is, what shade is this? Is this the only one in her collection? Sugar Cup. Okay. I do like lip glosses. I don't tend to wear them on camera because they reflect a little weird, but I wear them all the time in my day-to-day life. I have a little like cup on my vanity in my bathroom where I have all of my lip glosses, so I can like constantly be putting them on, and then I'll usually throw some into my purse as well. So this seems like a really pretty, almost purplish pink shade. Cool. Okay. I will definitely get use out of that. So that's good. What do we have next? It's a little boxy thing. So, 111 Skin. Harley by London. Space Defense Bright Eye Lift Gel. Okay, so it seems like an eye gel cream, which is awesome. I don't currently have an eye cream I'm using. I just kind of bring the moisturizer that I'm using up under my eye. I just find eye creams to be so expensive. Gently apply to the delicate area around the eye, use day and night. I can do that, and I can start testing this right away. I mean, it's a tiny, sample, but for an eye cream, that should last for quite some time. Very cool. Avoid direct contact with eyes. If product gets into eyes, rinse well. Do not store in direct sunlight. If irritated, stop application. Fair enough. Okay, I've not heard of this brand at all, so I do love getting stuff from brands that I haven't heard of before, and I will definitely get use out of this as well. So I feel like we were in a positive 2-for-2 situation. This is a little flat box. I feel like it's going to be like an eyeshadow or a blush or a highlight. Let's see. Okay, this is from, IBY Beauty. I've tried out stuff from them before. This is a highlighter. Interesting, the shade on there does not look like it's going to be a highlighter. This is the Carry On Highlighter in Private Jet. Why does this look like it's going to be a super deep shade? So here we go. It's a little pink plastic container. Oh, weird. That is not what the shade on the box looks like, which I'm glad of. But I mean, like when they show you that, does it not look like that's going to be the shade of the highlight? So in actuality, it's a very pink champagne shade and seems to be, standard sort of highlight. I will play around with that and test it. So I have 2 little boxes left. I'm thinking maybe skincare. This is a very tiny little box. What is this? Okay, this is Benefit Gimme Brow Volumizing Fiber Gel. What shade did they give me? Neutral light brown. That actually sounds perfect. This is such a tiny little sample. Oh my gosh. Like, look, it's like the size of my thumb. So is this going to be a little brush? It is. I do appreciate it being a tiny little brush. I will use this. I will definitely use this. So that is good. And is the last one going to be skincare? Let's check this out. Okay, this is a First Aid Beauty Hello Fab Coconut Water Cream. Helps hydrate, smooth, and recharge. Safe for sensitive skin. So this is basically a moisturizer. Use daily in the AM and PM, apply evenly over clean skin. So that's cool. Moisturizer is cool. I like getting skincare. I do find these little samples like this, unless it's maybe a mask that's a one-time thing, you can't really get a great idea of what this is going to do for your skin with this size sample. Your skin tends to turn over or like what's the word I'm looking for? Recreate new skin cells. I'm explaining this totally wrong, but basically for most skincare, you kind of want to use it for 4 to 6 weeks in order to see what actual kind of impact it's having on your skin. And I am currently in the process of testing some skincare, so I am interested to use this, but it's probably not going to happen for a while, but everything else I get to play with. I'm not disappointed in this. I think it will be fun to play around with, and this is also a great kind of thing if I'm traveling that I can just sort of toss it in and have a moisturizer to use for a couple of days if I'm like on the road or visiting someone. So that is awesome. So yeah, the samples are, smaller ones this time. I do wonder, as I said, if this is the initial bag or a replacement one. So if you see a second September Ipsy unbagging this month, you'll know that I end up getting the first one and a replacement one. But these are good. I feel like Ipsy has been getting more on track with knowing what I like lately. I think they've been doing more customization, and I think that's really awesome. So yeah, I now can go back and watch other people's Ipsy unbaggings because I was trying to avoid any spoilers. But let me know what you got in your Ipsy bag. If you have tried any of these products, which products you're interested in seeing me test, all of that good stuff. Thank you for joining me for this today. If you like these unbaggings, unboxings, give it a thumbs up. If you're not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!